Now I am going to start integral calculus, definite integral, maximum question based on NCERT and other problems for ICSE exam for mathematics. Also, everyone can buy my test series through BTS also. So I am going to start this class for problem number 1, and very simple problem is to be started, and one by one we will do more difficult problem. First integration, then equal to -1 to +1, definite integral, -1 to +1, lower limit is -1, upper limit is +1, x plus 1 into dx. Different problem I am solving on the board on the live classes. Some problem from NCERT, some problem from ICSE based examination, another for all covering all state boards, so that all students from any board they can learn integral calculus, differential calculus and other chapters. Accordingly I am conducting the class. So now integration this and this, so equal to integration of this equal to x square by 2 and integration of x equal to 1 equal to x. Integration of x equal to x square by 2, integration of 1 equal to x with a lower limit, lower to upper this. So we are putting the value for upper one equal to 1 by 2 plus 1, then minus of, it is plus, it is minus of 1 is 1 by 2, 1 square minus 1 square means minus 1 square is 1 by 2 and minus equal to minus. Now the answer is 3 by 2 minus half plus 1, that is equal to 3 by 2 plus this and this equal to another half, 3 and half, 1 and half plus half equal to 2 is the answer for the problem this for definite integral. Now I am going to do another problem for this class. It will be marked as problem number 2 for this class, and for problem 2 is, what is problem 2? It is problem 2 is 2 to 3, that is, it is problem 2 to 3, lower limit is 2, upper limit is 3 and 1 by x dx. 1 by dx equal to, we know, that is 1 by x. What is 1 by x? Equal to log modulus of x, and 2 to 3. So we can write here log 3 minus log 2 equal to log 3 by 2. Log 3 by 2, you can give bracket or may not give bracket, no need to give here bracket also. So we can write it log a minus log b, log a by b is answer for the problem 2 for this class. Now I am going to solve problem number 3, problem number 3 is, that is equal to, limit is given, what it is, 0 to pi by